Hello guys, in this video we're going to teach you how to do arbitrage trading on Binance. So the most simple thing I can show you is how to do it with two exchanges, not just with Binance. It's the most simple thing to do in the whole world. So this is the most simple trading strategy in the whole world, and here's how to take advantage of it. Basically, you're going to buy a certain token from an exchange with the lower price and sell it on a higher price on the other exchange. So for example, we have 98,435 as we are speaking right now on Bitcoin 440 right now, and on Binance it's on 432. So now it has the lower price. So you will have to be quick and you will have to strategize on how you do this. Of course, all you have to do is buy it at here, and you will use USDT to buy Bitcoin right here on your Binance. It's on 445, and now it's the opposite. So you buy it here in 432 and you sell it on Binance on 445. So there you go. I think you get it. You get the concept of what I'm trying to say here, that you'll have to buy low and sell high on other exchanges to do a quick arbitrage trading strategy. So the risk associated with this is that the exchange fees imposed for deposit, withdrawals, and trades, and sometimes price volatility can fluctuate rapidly, posing the risk of the bought cryptocurrency that you have dropping in value before you can even sell for profit. And there's also the liquidity risk, and there's a chance that insufficient buyers or sellers exists for the cryptocurrency you're trading, making it challenging to sell out the profit, basically. So this is one of the oldest types of arbitrage trading, and it's just simple as you can see. So there you go, guys. That is how you do arbitrage trading using your Binance, and there you go.